Want natural human voices? Build them with Gemini TTS and Google AI Studio. Step 1. Open Google AI Studio, select text-to-speech, and create a new project. Choose a Gemini voice model. Start with a natural, neutral baseline for clarity. Paste your script, set language, and adjust speaking rate to match pacing. Enable neural prosody and tweak pitch, emphasis, and expressive controls for realism. Click Preview to hear a sample, watching the waveform and timing closely. Customize tone using warmth, formality, and pause sliders for voice personality. Upload voice samples to clone characteristics or blend multiple samples for depth. Use SSML tags to add breaths, pauses, and precise intonation where necessary. Compare A and B samples to refine choices, then export high-quality WAV files. Integrate via API or download audio for video, apps, and accessibility features. That's it. Create lifelike human voices with Gemini TTS. Try it now.